Hello, let me show you unboxing of POCO X7 Pro. This one actually comes from European distribution, and what you can find on the box, for sure, it's actually powered by HyperOS, and on the back of the box we can actually find the information that there's no charger inside, and the recommended charger actually starts from 10 watts to 90 watts, so we got pretty fast charging. So now let's cut out this foil, let's go inside and let's find out what accessories we can find here and how the device looks. But there's also one thing, maybe you can hear that. I'm not sure what is inside, but sound interesting. There we go. So as you can see, it actually comes covered with the foil. There we got the MediaTek Dimensity 804000 Ultra, 6000 mAh battery with 90 watt hypercharge. We got 1.5K 120 Hz AMOLED display, 50 megapixel camera lens with optic image stabilization and IP68. So it means that this phone is water resistant. And this one actually comes with the black color. We get two camera lenses, we got flashlight, so we don't have this, useless like 2 megapixel macro camera. That's actually a good point. On the left side there's actually no buttons. On the front you can actually find the screen protection. It actually comes with a thin foil that protect the phone. On the right side, volume buttons and power button. At the bottom we can find USB-C port, speaker, and there's the SIM slot. And at the top we've got the AR blaster. So now let's open this SIM slot and we can check if we can find here, the memory card slot or dual SIM. We've got first slot, and on the reverse we've got second slot. So unfortunately right here there's actually no this memory card slot. Now when I'm gonna click and hold this power button, we're gonna boot the phone. Now let's take a look for some other accessories. So we've got SIM tool, and right here we've got cable, some paperwork, and we have case. It's a silicone case. It's well made. We got bumper for cameras. It's flexible. Let's put it on the phone. There we go. So as you can see, that's how it looks on the phone. We've got this camera bumper and also bumpers on every corner. So what does it mean? Then when we put the phone screen up to surface, we are not gonna scratch the display. And yeah, that's basically it. This is like quick unboxing, some base specification and accessories. If you are looking for some other videos about this device, I can highly recommend you to enter my channel and check some other tutorials, tips and tricks for the POCO X7 Pro.